Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Hana. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my really quick updo. This is a super easy way of like just throwing your hair up, especially after it's been tired. It's got a lot of product in it and you just have to run out the house. A couple of things that you'll need is your edge brush, some water in a spray bottle, your clip. You can get it online off Amazon. The pink one that I have in my hair right now, it's from Nordstrom. So you can get it at Nordstrom as well. And then as my gel, I used my Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Defining Gel out. Cool, and I think that's about it. Super easy, you guys. It takes less than like 5 minutes to do. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this updo, then keep on watching.
All right, so I actually filmed this video talking, but every time I turned my head, y'all couldn't hear me. So I'm just gonna do a quick little voiceover. So this is my hair, pretty old. It's like a really old twist out. The first thing I'm doing is I'm taking the front two sections, kind of like little squares in the front. And I'm gonna set these aside. They can be big or they can be small, however much you want. So I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and put it at the base of my head in a ponytail. You can tie this down if you want. You can use a tie if you want. So I'm pointing to the bottom of the base of my head. You can use a ponytail if you want to tie it down right here before you flip it up. But this is how I do it. And we're gonna grab one. We're gonna take one of the pieces, swing it around, and we're gonna go under and bring it over to the other side. So it looks like that. That's the piece. And then I'm gonna leave that on top. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. So bring it under the ponytail and then put it up top. That's the second one. And then I just twist up and bring the hair up towards my face. You can do more twists if you want a tighter base, but I just do one twist and up. And then I'm gonna put my clip on after this. And you can play with the placement of the bottom or the placement of the clip, just however you want it. If you want it tighter, if you want it looser, all that. And then I'm just kind of fluffing out this top section right here, the hair that's left out. And then I'm gonna do my baby hairs real quick. I don't use a gel for this look, but you could if you want a really slick look, then you could use a gel to make it lay down more. This is just like a really relaxed, very quick ponytail updo kind of situation that I just throw on top of my head. So I didn't use any gel or really any product except for the gel that I'm using for my baby hairs. So yeah, I'm just gonna mess with my baby hairs real quick. If y'all want a baby hair tutorial, I'm not really good at it, I don't think. But if y'all want a baby hair tutorial, let me know. I definitely can make that. So yeah, just mess with it however you like it. Some pieces sticking out, stuff them back in. And that's pretty much it.
So yeah, that's about it. That's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions or any comments, always leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.